What a silly day. Watch out, crazy guide in raft. I lost my warning flag. I might do something really ridiculous at table saw. Give me one. Stop. I hit a rock. Give me two. Ray, we're gonna sprint at this in a moment. I'm trying to time it so I don't hit other routes. Give me two. Give me three. Give me three more. Yeah, man. Speed, power, fun. Big hit. Don't fall out, crew. I try to be fair to others. I don't want to scare nobody else. Give me one. Give me one more. Which is old, dead ahead, big flash. Yeah, right there. Rock smear spin. Oh no, I'm gonna float over it. I'm so disappointed.